Yep.
Check. Yeah. What we're going to do today is to make a cheesecake. It's very easy cheesecake, a lemon cheesecake. But first of all, we need to do a base for the cheesecake. So what we do, we get standard digestive biscuits and we put them in a polythene bag. And this is going to make the base. And we put them in a polythene bag like that. And then basically we get the old rolling pin out and smash them all up. So if you get access to broken biscuits in the first place, then go straight for those, because it does seem a shame to break perfectly good biscuits. Okay. And then you crunch this lot down so it's in a fine powder.
Recording.
So we've crunched all the 10 ounces of biscuits into a fine powder, which will help. Now we want 5 ounces of butter that we need to measure off. So a standard butter is 8 ounces, so it's a little bit more than half, which is like that. Okay, so that's on the side for a moment. Now you get a saucepan and you put all the breadcrumbs, all the biscuit crumbs that we've made into the pot. And cut up some of the butter. Now you can actually melt the butter first and add the breadcrumbs, but today I'm doing it a bit different. I'm putting the breadcrumbs in and then hopefully heat it all up. So now the next object is to go to the stove and gently warm up that and melt the butter into the biscuits, okay?
Nearly done.
So we've now melted all the butter into the biscuits. Turn the gas down now. Don't want to overcook this because it'll burn the biscuits, but it's just going to make sure the butter's evenly coated within the biscuits, because we use that to make it go stiffer when it dries out, when it cools down rather. Okay, right, from now on. Right, now we pour all the contents of the saucepan into the dish where we're going to make the cheesecake. Make sure we get it all out. And then just spread this round evenly all over. To the sides. Make sure you got them. Right, and then we're going to make the filling for the cheesecake. So for that we need 4 unwaxed lemons, which conveniently Waitrose sell. And then what you do is you zest it, which is basically to scrape the lemon on a cheese grater, okay, and then you get a zest, okay. And it's a case of squeezing the juice out of the lemon, and luckily we have a juice extractor over here, which you plonk on like that. This goes on the top, and then so we had the juice extracted from the lemons, and now we put in a tin of condensed milk into a jug. Scrape it all out. This is delicious. If you ever get any left over, it's nice to just lick it out the tin yourself. Very rich. Grams of double cream. in slowly the lemon juice.
Looks like porridge.
No, it's not like porridge.
Looks like it though.
Yeah, I look like it, really. Just put this on this. Okay. And then just keep stirring this round. Smooth texture. Alright, now we have the base, which is now nice and firm. It's all cooled off. And then we just pour the mixture in that we've been mixing up into the centre of the cheesecake. Make sure you scrape it as much as you can out, because it's otherwise what gets stuck around the sides of the bowl. It's not too precious to waste. And then, just very gently, tease it out around the edge in a sort of circular motion. Don't go too far up because it'll start to level out, and you want to make sure that you've got a biscuit base underneath it all, if you can. But just take it gently up to the edge as you turn it around. And then you put it back in the fridge, and ideally you want to leave it for at least 24 hours, because the lemon really starts to take effect when it's had a good chance to really sink in, and then this will level out a bit in the fridge as well as it cools off. So there we have it. That is your cheesecake.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.